Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo on Wix Logo Maker. So let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on the wix.com/logo/maker. You can also just search for Wix Logo Maker and you should be able to see this website right here. So this official tool of Wix. So as of right now, I'm signed in on my Wix account. So click on Get My Logo right here. And then this will open or load, and then this will make me choose my logos and brand. So as of right now, let's click on create new brand, and then it will ask what type of business do you have. So for this one, I'll put in travel, and then for this one, just choose what kind of travel or what type of business you have. So for me, I have a travel blog and podcast, so I just need to click on that, click on next. And then what type do you want for your logo? So just choose one that you want. For me, I'll choose creative. Click on next. And then you can also put what text you want to your logo. So for me, I'll put in Tiara Travels. And then click on next right here. And then what is my tagline or slogan? So just put in here a tagline. So if you don't have that, you can also skip that. But having that will actually help your business a lot. So for me, I'll just put in dynamic places in the world. Then click on done right here. And then this will find stunning logos for me. So this actually template that I can edit. And then it actually needs a little bit of creativity in order to change what it looks like. So as you can see, this is what this has generated for me. So I have this pink one right here, which is kind of cute. I also have this blue one, kind of cute as well. This one is kind of plain. This one is over the top. They will show you a lot of options that you can choose from, like this one, and everything right here. So we can just choose whatever you want. Totally depends on you. But for me, I'll just choose this one right here. So click on this, and then in here, it will show you what it looks like in here. So click on customize your logo if you want to change everything. So this will load to your manage.wix.com Logo Maker editor, and then you can see your design right here. So this is what your design will look like. You can click on this text right here, and you can customize the text that you can see right here. You can change the alignment, the fill color, text color as well, the outline width, and everything that you can see right here. So for me, I'll just choose a color that resonates with me. So for this one, just click on this one, and then just choose a color that you want. So I'll just choose pink. As you can see, it is kind of detailed and it looks really good for me right now. You can also put in the letter spacing, the size. You can change the size of that and increase the size however you want it to be. Totally depends on you, but for me, I'll just stay with around 30, just like that. And then in here, you can also see the letter spacing, as well as the flip, and you can also do this thing right here. Also rotate it and add in a text curve if you want. Totally depends on you what you want to put on your Wix right here. If you put in 0 for this, it will look like this right here. You can change everything depending on what you want to put in here. You also add in shadows if you want. You can also blur it if you want. Totally depends on you. You can also change this right here, just like how you change the first one. And in here, you can see this logo right here. So this is the icon. You can also change it if you want. You can also see in here some color, shadow, blows, and everything. You can change the color of this specific thing. A little depends on you. So for this one, you can also see here the templates. So the templates is the one that we have reviewed earlier. Here are the palettes. You can also just choose what palettes you want. So you can make it atomic pink. You can make it coffee cake right here. But for me, I'm satisfied with the color palette of earlier, so I'll just choose that. You can also click on text right here. And you can also add another text if you want to replace anything or add a new thing on your logo. Under the symbols, you can see in here symbols that we can add. So if you don't want this, you can get your inspiration from these symbols right here. You can also see in here shapes. So this is the shape that we have added in earlier, and they look kinda okay. So we can also add in images if you have an existing logo that you have in mind and here. Once you're done with everything, just click on next. So let's click on next right here, and it should be able to take us to the next step of our logo. So you can get the matching website with your logo. So you can make this website right here that can help you with online booking, basic website, or landing page. But you can also just get the logo as well. Just click on I just need the logo. It depends on what you want. You can create the website alongside with it. But you can also get the logo is here. So if you want just logos, you can get expanded logo set or just the essential. Under your logo and website, you can get this website right here for just $14, this one with $9, and this one with $11. So this actually very cheap than the just logo file right here. But this just logo file is just one-time payment, and this one is recurring monthly payment. So just choose what plan resonates with you the most and get it for you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make a logo in Wix Logo Editor. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!